it's Chloe here, Say the Victor Roll. How's everybody doing today? I thought I would do a really quick little, I guess you'd call it an unboxing, but it's an unbagging. It is from Poshmark. I got one of the beauty mystery boxes online. I was watching a few, and then, as what can occasionally happen with Poshmark, is they send to me a deal where I got a few dollars off, but the biggest one was the lower shipping. So I thought, okay, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try one of these mystery bags. It's supposed to be mid-range to high-end. I guess it's basically Sephora type makeup, so you can have Tarte, Anastasia, Beverly Hills was one of the names that was bought on there or mentioned on there, and then it's 5 to 7 items, and then I got it for $34, I want to say, and then $9.99 shipping versus the regular $13.49, and then this is of course in Canadian dollars. So I got this in the mail today, so I thought we can open this together. She has it nicely tightly packaged here, so I can't quite get to the one end, so I'm gonna, with my little scissors here, try and cut this from the bottom. And so this is going to be new for you and me on my channel, is Poshmark. So I bought a couple palettes from them, and I bought a pair of boots through Poshmark, and I've sold a kimchi powder on there. All right, so I have the box open. There it is. I can't see what's in there, so I'm just gonna go stick my hand in there and then pull the first thing out that I see. And oh, it is from NARS, and these are supposed to be all new. So, and of course it is in the color Orgasm, but this looks to be a full size. Look at that. I have a small one that I got with a birthday gift a little while ago. Was it last year or the year before? I don't know, time merges together. But anyways, it is a NARS blush, and it is of course in the color Orgasm. Oh, I pulled two things by accident. Hold on, look down, just pull out one thing. All right. And then this is from, oh, Dominique Cosmetics. I don't have anything at all from them. I guess it's a lip liner. And then it's in this shade here. So it's a neutral shade. So there we go. Yeah, it doesn't, again, this rating is really small. If I remember, I'll put up in the corner or in the description box exactly what this is, but I'm believing it's a lip liner. So that's cool. I've never tried anything from them. Let's see what else is next in here. So that's 2 items so far. Here's number 3, and this is, oh, it's from MAC. So this is a Shot of Color lip oil, and then it is in the shade So Full On. There we go. I guess if you don't have this thing upside down, you'd be able to read it properly. So I'm just gonna quickly open that. And there we go, a lip oil. I haven't had a lip oil in quite a while. I had one that I got, I wanna say from NYX. So yeah, this is, oh, this packaging is really cute with the little lips, and then you can see the color through the bottom. So there we go, that's from MAC. So we've got a lip liner, a lip oil, and a blush so far. So there's 3 items there. So there should be at minimum 2 more items. And then here's, oh, another long box. And oh, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's a tinted brow gel. Yay, and it is in blonde, so which would normally work for me. Right now I've got black hair, but that is very cool. I have never tried their brow gel. So let's open this box up. It's got to open one end. There we go. And then there's the brow gel. So at the moment it may be a little light, but if I go back to a normal hair color, my normal hair color, then it may work out. So anyways, so there we go. So that's 4 products. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, there's another one there. All right. Oh, and this is from Kinder Beauty, Kinder Glow highlight palette. I think I've vaguely heard about this brand. I think it may be something that might be in Ipsy, or I was gonna say Beautylish, but that isn't it. BoxyCharm, but cool. Kinder Glow or Kinder Glow. And then it's nicely packed up here. So let's check this out. Well, this is a fun box so far. Only one kind of duplicate, but I only have a small one, so we are good with that. And then it's in this hard pink case. It looks like there's 4 shades: Gracious, Angel, Loving, and Kindly. And let's open this up. And let's take a little plastic off. And those are the colors there. I think those would work for me. It looks like, well, these darker shades look almost like they could be bronzer toppers. That's pretty. Well, I look forward to trying that out. So we've got 3, 4, 5 items here. Like I said, it could be 5 to 7 items. Oh, I may have 7 items in here. Okay, I've got one more longish one. And oh wow, this is from Milk Makeup. Excellent. What is this? This is the Crush eyeliner. Ooh, I love me an eyeliner. Gotta whack on today. Oh, that's cool. From Milk, I've only ever tried their moisturizer, which I really liked. That was it. So very cool. All right, so then we've got a Milk eyeliner, and of course it's going to, I'm going to assume it's in black. It says on the outside it's in Loud, but that's good timing because my Too Faced one is pretty much dead. That's what I have on, but it's getting frazzled at the end. The little brush is getting frazzled. So anyways, oh, that's very exciting. I've never tried their liner before. Awesome. All right, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it looks like I'm lucky. I'm getting 7 items in this box. And last is going to be a palette of some sort. And it is by, hey, Violet Voss. I don't own anything by Violet Voss either. Oh, this is great. This is all new to me except for the one product, and it's a product I'm very happy to have. So there we go. So there is this palette there. Let's also open this with a pair of scissors, because when you have no nails, opening these cardboard packages seem to apparently be a challenge for me. So let's just quickly go in here. And there it is. This just matches the outside there. And let's check out this color story. All right. So it is very neutral, but it does have a purple matte, a shimmery matte. It's got some, I do like these orangey colors. So this bottom row is very cool. So yeah, I guess a violet sunset. You've got some oranges, you've got some purples, and then you've got some neutrals for blending out. So that's very cool. So this ended up being a really good deal for me. This is exciting. So again, this was, like I said, I paid $34 Canadian plus shipping. So, and it said 5 to 7 items. So we've got ourselves a Violet Voss palette, which I've never tried before. We've got Kinder Glow, and it's a highlighting palette with the 4 shades. We got ourselves an eyeliner, a lip oil, a lip liner, and we've got ourselves a tinted brow gel and some blush. So you've almost basically got a full look. I can do my brows, my liner, my eyeshadow, and even one of the ones in here would also make like a blush, like a shimmery bronzer. So this is so cool. I think I may do that again sometime. So I'll link the girl's name down below, or her page down in the comments below in case anybody wants to check out, because I believe she does have some other ones, but again, it would be Poshmark Canada. But anyways, that is a quick video from me, and actually a quick one. So if you'd give us a like, comment, and subscribe, or maybe hit that notification bell, it'd be greatly appreciated. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends. We can do unboxings, or should I say unbaggings, together. Alrighty, well, behave, make good choices, have a fantastic day, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this, and we will talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.